Hi, this is Byron from Press Lock, and we're standing here with the T-Rex. So one of the things about the T-Rex is that it can take different types of material. So here is our standard round tooling. This is the 4.6 millimeter or 4-ton style. We have it in 3, 3.8, 4.6, 5.5, 6.4 millimeter punch sizes. So this one should be able to do all the way up to 5.5 millimeter. Anyway, that's the round tooling. So when it comes to a square tooling set, if you look inside the press here, we have a set of square tooling. And what the square tooling is useful for is material that's of lower ductility. So we have a square punch and a square die. We cut the material on 2 layers, and then that helps it form. So this is good for more brittle materials or lots of layers or intermediate layers that maybe don't form so well with the round tooling. Particular materials that are good for that type of tooling is stainless steel. So when we do multiple layers, we're going to do a quick experiment here. I haven't actually done this, so you're going to see this our first shot at it. It may go wrong, but we're going to see if we can maximize the amount of layers that we put through this machine until we trip the safety feature. So the safety feature here won't let the press operate if the thickness is greater than 5 millimeters, so about a finger's thickness. And that's a international standard. 6 millimeters, an international standard for pinch point safety. So we're going to set this machine up. We kind of got it where I think it'll do it. And we're going to just add layers and see how far we can go. We're going to start with 2, go to 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've got 7 pieces here. Maybe we can do that. This material is 26 gauge pre-painted, so it's about 22 thou thick, so you can do the math on what that adds up to. But right now we have the press set at the A switch setting, which I've programmed already to 75 psi, which should be enough for 2 layers. So we're just going to start by putting 2 layers in here. We're going to get that in between and just do a quick. So you can see that clinch has put a square connection to it. So it's probably could be a bit better one. I've left a little bit more room on the connection so we can just go ahead without doing any changes here. So I'm going to slip a second layer on there. Line it up. I'm just taking the previous clinch, sliding it to the side until it hits this protector so that I don't get the 2 clinches overlapping each other. And then I hit that again. So that's already feeling like I'm going to need a little bit more power. So I'm going to turn this power up to our B setting, which I've already pre-programmed to 85 psi, just to give it a little bit extra punch. And so we're going to add a 3rd layer here. Okay, I got to turn my regulator up because it's actually doing its job. So I go to the back here. There we go. That pressure switch is a fail-safe to make sure that at least enough pressure is going to the press to finish the job. And then we've got a mechanical stop here to make sure it doesn't go too far. So now we're at, that was what, 4 layers? So let's see if we can get up to 5 layers here. I'm going to register against that holder. Okay, so that's 5 layers. That's starting to look like a good clinch. Let's see. 6 layers. I'm thinking we might not be able to trip the safety here, but who knows? Yep. So that was 6 layers. Okay. 1 more here. Let's see if we can get 7. Holy moly. It did 7. I don't know. Think we can do another one? Go for 8. Why not? It's got to trip the safety. Yeah, that tripped the safety. Maybe I can help it. Yeah, not quite getting it there, but so that's our 7 layers of 26 gauge pre-painted material there. And we can do some work on the settings and stuff like that, but you can see where a multi-layer material application, that square tooling would be a pretty good application, a tool set. And it bolts right into the T-Rex. So your machine, you get this one, it already has that option available. Anyway, more videos to come, and thanks for watching.